The snapshot of training practices provided in this course is based on data and collected from a number of sources, including surveys conducted by Training Magazine and the Association for Talent Development, known as ATD. For several reasons, the data should be viewed as reasonable estimates of practices rather than precise facts. One is that the samples may not be representative of all size or types of companies. For example, the training survey was conducted by a research firm that emailed invitations to subscribers to participate in an online survey. The response rate ranged from 31% for large firms to 28% for small firms. The ATD and the annual State of the Industry report includes hundreds of organizations across all major industries grouped into three categories: companies who've received awards for training, ATD Best Award winners, and Fortune Global 500 companies, and consolidated responses. You may be asking yourselves questions such as, how much time and money do companies spend on training? Or, is instructor-delivered training obsolete? This course provides a snapshot of trends in the workplace learning environment. U.S. organizations continue to invest large amounts of money in learning initiatives. Here's an overview of some of the key trends in these investments. Direct expenditures as a percentage of payroll and learning hours have remained stable over the last several years. Self-paced online learning is the most frequently used type of technology-based learning. Of the $61.8 billion spent on training, 63% is for internal costs, such as training staff salaries and course development, and 27% is for services by external providers, such as consultants, workshops, or training programs outside the company, and 10% is on tuition reimbursement. After several years of increases in cost per learning hour, it fell in 2013, suggesting that companies are more effectively distributing training to employees. Higher investment in training by companies in the United States is related to the use of innovative training practices and high-performance work practices such as teams, employee stock ownership plans, incentive compensation systems like profit sharing, individual development plans, and employee involvement in business decisions. This spending, along with the use of high-performance work practices, has been shown to be related to improved profitability, customer and employee satisfaction, and the ability to retain employees. How do the training practices of companies that have recognized training importance in gaining a competitive advantage differ from other companies? ATD's State of the Industry report in 2013 compares the training practices of companies that were part of the ATD benchmarking program, in which companies that received ATD Best Awards recognizing companies that show a clear link between learning and performance. Benchmarking program companies provided ATD with a standard set of information on their training practices, like the number of hours spent in training. These included 340 companies with an average of 16,719 employees. Here are the characteristics of these award-winning companies. Alignment of business strategy with training and development. Learning is valued as part of the culture and supported by executive leaders and top managers. Effectiveness and efficiency of learning is measured. Investment in training and development. Different learning opportunities are provided to all employees and have access to them. Measurement of effectiveness and efficiency of training and development activities, and non-training solutions for performance improvement are used, including organizational development and process improvement. Companies that share these characteristics were able to more effectively deliver training than benchmark firms.